Let me ask you, are you making decisions based on vibe, guessing, or data? Be honest. Because without data, you are just guessing. And guesswork in this economy doesn't pay. Here is why data is your best friend. It helps you make smarter decisions. You don't have to test the waters when you already know what is working. It helps you spot trends and predict the future. This is how big businesses stay ahead. It saves you money. No need to waste resources doing try and error. Who can do it, can do it. And now you're probably thinking, where do I find all of this data without stress, Mary? Number one, Google Analytics to track your website and see where your traffic is coming from. Number two, your Facebook insights, your Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok insights to know who is engaging with your content. Number three, CRM tools like Hotspots, Excel, Salesforce to keep track of your customers. And number four, simple survey or feedback forms or WhatsApp forms. Your audience have those answers that you're looking for. Just ask them and you should receive. But here's the thing, data isn't magic. And it's not just about collecting numbers. You would need to ask the right questions to make sense of those numbers collected. Data doesn't replace your instincts, but it just gives you more power. So tell me, what is one decision data has helped you make recently? Drop it in the comment section below. And if you are not using data yet, don't worry. Just start small. It will grow from there.